Can I do Forex trading without a broker? A common misconception among those new to the world of finance is that they can engage in Forex trading directly without the intermediary services of a broker. This belief is often fueled by the understanding that Forex involves the exchange of currencies, a process that seems straightforward enough. However, the reality is far more complex. By the way, you need a reliable broker with very low deposit requirements and quick withdrawals. See the links in the description box below. Let's continue with the video. The Forex market is a vast, interconnected network of banks, institutions, and corporations that trade currencies on a global scale. These participants have access to direct market connections and liquidity pools that are simply unavailable to individual traders. Attempting to navigate this market without a broker is akin to trying to drive a Formula One car without a license or experience. One of the most significant challenges faced by those who attempt to trade Forex directly is the lack of access to real-time market data. This information, which includes current exchange rates, market trends, and economic indicators, is essential for making informed trading decisions. While some of this data is publicly available, it often comes with significant delays or is presented in a format that is difficult to interpret. Furthermore, trading Forex requires a sophisticated understanding of technical analysis, fundamental analysis, and risk management. These skills are often acquired through years of experience and education. Without the guidance and support of a broker, individual traders are at a significant disadvantage when it comes to making sound trading decisions. While it is technically possible to trade Forex without a broker, the challenges and risks involved far outweigh the potential benefits. Brokers provide essential services such as market access. Brokers connect traders to the global Forex market, allowing them to buy and sell currencies at competitive prices. Another benefit of brokers is leverage. Brokers offer leverage, which allows traders to control larger positions with a smaller amount of capital. Many brokers also provide educational resources and customer support to help traders learn about Forex trading and develop their skills. Brokers often also offer tools and strategies to help traders manage risk and protect their capital. In conclusion, while the allure of direct Forex trading may be tempting, the reality is that it is a highly challenging and risky endeavor. For most individuals, working with a reputable broker is the most effective and efficient way to participate in the Forex market. By leveraging the expertise and resources provided by a broker, traders can increase their chances of success and minimize their risk.